This video will cover the configuration of our S3 Sonic module for Magento Open Source. We will first select a Magento Open Source with our AMI Stacks S3 Titanium option pack. During the CloudFormation deployment, we will select the Pro option that includes S3 Sonic. Module configuration information can be found in your Stacks documentation, our bot, and on the main site. We are configuring S3 Sonic with AWS IAM keys. We will then proceed to create a read replica. Keep in perspective that as you deploy read replicas, you are responsible for the additional charges in your AWS account. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. During the read replica creation process, the master RDS instance will become unavailable. You can observe the replica creation process directly from your AWS console.